Good morning, students. How are you? Well, I am present again with the third video of the same chapter, comparison of degrees, lesson number 6. In the previous video, we studied the forms of adjectives. So there are three forms of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. In positive degree, when we talk about one noun, we use positive degree. And you know, all the adjectives in their main form are positive degree. Okay? So, Ram is a good boy. So, good is here positive degree. When we compare two nouns and we say that one is more or less than the other, we use comparative degree. Ram is richer than Shyam. Okay? So here richer is comparative degree. And when we compare more than two nouns, we use superlative degree. Okay? Ram is the tallest boy in the class. So here the tallest is superlative degree. Okay? And I taught you how to make comparative and superlative degrees from positive degree. So simple rules. Rule number 1 was we add ER to make comparative degree, where we add ER to positive degree to make comparative degree, and we add EST to positive degree to make superlative degree. Okay, so simply ER is added to make comparative and EST is added to positive degree to make superlative. And the words which are the adjectives which and with E, we add simply R and ST to make comparative and superlative degree. Okay? And if the adjective ends with Y, means Y ending adjectives, we change Y into I and then add ER and EST to make comparative and superlative. And short sound words, we double the last consonant and then we add ER and EST. So this was the rule. Now here in this video we will study irregular forms of degrees. They are not the adjectives as we studied earlier. Here, their forms are different. They have different forms of comparative and superlative degree. Simply we add ER and EST most of the adjectives, but here these adjectives are different. For example, positive degree is bad. Okay, so bad is positive. So its comparative is not better. Its comparative is worse, and superlative is worst. Okay, so they have different forms. Here they are irregular. Means they are not using or they are not made comparative and superlative degree by adding ER or EST. They have different forms. So bad, worse and worst. So it is irregular, not regular. For example, here small, smaller, smallest. So this is regular form. Okay. Small, smaller, smallest. Okay. Big, bigger, biggest. Tall, taller, tallest. These are regular forms. But here these adjectives have irregular forms. Good. Good good is positive degree, its comparative is better, and its superlative is best. Okay, Ram is a good boy, or this is a good pen. So this pen is better than that one. Okay, and we can say this pen is the best pen, or Ram is the best boy in the class. Okay, so we use different form: good, better, best. And I taught you we use than after comparative degree and the before superlative degree. Okay, the best, the worst, and a better than, worse than, latter than, in this way. Okay, so here these are the adjectives. So than and the are added. We use than after comparative degree and the before superlative degree. Late, later, and latter. Later shows time and latter shows position. The latter part of the story is interesting and he came later. Okay, so latter shows position. Latest and last. Latest means recent. What is the latest news? Means some other news may follow. And last means after that there is nothing or not anything given. For example, what is the last lesson? Means after that lesson there is no lesson. So last shows position or place. Okay. So what is the last lesson? What is the last story? What is the last chapter? Okay. Then here many and much. Many shows number and much shows quantity. Okay. Many shows what? Many shows number, much shows quantity. But their comparative and superlative are same. Many, more, most, and much, more, most. Many and much are positive degree, and comparative is more, and superlative is also more. So for number and quantity, both we use more and most. Okay. Near shows place. So near, nearer, nearest. Which is the nearest railway station? And next shows position. Who is the next one? Or what is the next chapter? Okay, next shows position or distance. Nearest also shows distance, and next shows position. Old, older, or elder, oldest, eldest. So you will read in this way: old, older, oldest, old, elder, eldest. Okay. So old is used to show the age. Older. Ram is older than Shyam, and elder is used for the family members, and older is used for other people. Okay. So these are the irregular forms of degrees. Nearest shows distance and next shows position. Got you? Nearest shows distance. What is the nearest railway station? Which is the nearest railway station? So nearest shows distance, and what next? Next shows position. Clear? Now late and later. Late and latter. Later events grouped his points, and the latter date suits me. Means the second of the two. Latter. Here latter is used. This one. The second of the two. So these are the irregular forms of degrees. Now we will study some confusing adjectives. So come at page number 55. Open your book at page 55. Nearest and next. Here that I have written. Nearest and next. So where they are used, you have to learn this. Nearest shows distance and next shows position, means position in time and distance. Okay, the nearest hospital is 5 kilometers away. And what is your next step? So nearest and next, nearest shows distance and next shows position. Okay, then later and later. So later events proved his points. Later shows time. And latter shows position are second of the two. The latter date suits me. Here, suppose there are two dates or two chapters. So two chapters, and we speak the latter chapters interest me. Okay. Now latest and last. So latest shows the recent. This is the latest story. This is the latest news. Means other stories or other news may follow. Latest means other news or other story may follow them. This is his last story. Means he didn't write any other story after that. This is his last story. Means he didn't write any other story after that. This is the last chapter of the book. It means there is no any other chapter after that. Clear? Older and elder and oldest eldest. Older is used for everything, everybody, and is followed by than. Older is used for everything, everybody, and followed by than. We use than. Older than this. Elder is used only for family members and it does not take than. When you say he is my elder brother, so elder brother means that boy or he is your family member. Okay. Agra fort is older than the Delhi fort. Have you met your elder brother? So older is used for what? Everything, everybody, and it is followed by than. And elder is used for family members and it does not follow than, or it does not take than. Longer words make comparative and superlative forms with the help of more and most. For example, when you say, suppose longer word beautiful. Beautiful. Okay? Beautiful. Beautiful. 3 syllables. Beautiful. So these are longer words the words that have 3 or 4 syllables. So we don't add er or est to the positive degree. So they are made comparative and superlative degree by adding more and most. So what will be the comparative? Comparative will be more beautiful, and superlative will be most beautiful. Okay, so here beautiful is positive, more beautiful comparative, and most beautiful superlative. In the same way, intelligent. Okay, so it has 3 or 4 syllables. Intelligent, 4 syllables. So it means these are longer will be the comparative degree of intelligent? More intelligent, and superlative, most intelligent. Okay, so intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Powerful, more powerful, most powerful. Okay, so the longer words, in longer words we use more and most before longer words to make comparative degree and superlative. Some words have comparative degree but no positive degree. Some words have comparative degree but no positive degree. Their superlative is formed with the help of most. For example, senior. So senior is comparative degree. It has no positive degree. So we make the superlative degree by using most before them. So senior, most senior. Okay, then junior, most junior, superior, most superior, and inferior, most inferior. Okay, inferior means that has less quality. Okay, so senior, junior, superior, and inferior, these adjectives have superlative, only comparative and superlative degrees. So they are already comparative. We add most to make superlative degree. So most senior, most junior, most senior, most junior, most superior, and most inferior. It is superlative degree. Okay. Some words have no degrees, neither positive nor comparative nor superlative degree. So he made the supreme sacrifice. Supreme is here already superlative means you can we don't use most. They have no degree. Okay. Supreme, excellent, universal, and final. So they have no degree, neither positive nor comparative nor superlative. Now let us do exercise 6.2. So note it down. Okay students, now let us do 6.2. So come at page number 56. See the first question. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives in correct degrees. Okay. So suitable adjectives in correct degrees. First one is, this is the picture in the exhibition. So beautiful given. So what will be? This is the given, it means superlative degree will be written. So this is the most beautiful picture in the exhibition. So you will write most beautiful picture. Second, the tiger is than all other animals. Than given, it means what will be used? Comparative degree will be written, and bracket strong given. So what will be the sentence? The tiger is stronger. Strong, stronger, strongest. So comparative is stronger. The tiger is stronger than all other animals. Third, they are stronger. Third, see, he is the. So the given, it means superlative degree, and bracket senior given. So he is the most senior in this office. So most senior will be here. Fourth, the president is the supreme. Right? God told you that some adjectives have no degrees. Okay? Supreme, excellent, final, these are. So here it will be written as given, as it is given in the bracket. We will copy same supreme. The president is the supreme commander of armed forces. Okay. Fifth, he is the brother in the family. In the family, means for family we use elder and eldest. So he is the eldest brother. The given, it is superlative. He is the eldest brother in the family. Okay. Six, has the local train left? So late given, so late, later, latest, or late, latter, last. So which one will be used? Last. So the last has the last local train left. The last shows after that there is no train. Okay. So last. 7. This house is than the previous house. This house is than the previous house. Previous house than given. It means we will use comparative given. And in bracket given good. So what will be the comparative of good? Of good? Better. So you will write this house is better than the previous house. So here better than. 8. Socrates was one of the means superlative degree. Intelligent even. So superlative will be the intelligent. Socrates was one of the most intelligent men in the world. Okay, the most intelligent will be used. Okay, most intelligent. And then I shall take the costlier of the two gifts. When two options given or two nouns given, we use the plus comparative degree. Okay, so the costlier. You will use the costlier. Okay, and then 10. This train is as given. It means positive degree will be used. As fast as. So the train. This train is as fast as the next train. Clear? So as fast as positive. Now come to the second question. Complete the following sentences. The Taj is the most famous historical building. So you have to fill. The Taj is more famous. The Taj is more famous than any other historical building. More famous than also. The Taj is more famous than any other historical building. Clear? See, no other historical building is as famous as. Positive degree is as famous as. And more famous, this is comparative and this is positive. Next, Rajgir is older than Patliputra. So Patliputra is not so old as. Rajgir. Now third, no other city is as old as Harappa. So Harappa is older than all other cities. Harappa is older than all other cities, comparative degree. And Harappa is the oldest city. The oldest city. This is superlative degree. Next, cold milk is more nutritious than cold drink. Okay. So cold drink is not so nutritious. Is not so nutritious as cold milk. So cold drink is not so nutritious as cold milk. The last one, fifth, B. So given no other city is as rich as Mumbai. It means Mumbai is the richest city. The already given richest city. In this way, this lesson has come to an end. Now you will get revision video after that. Okay, note it down.